Hello, everyone. Happy Tuesday. It's 5 o'clock, so happy afternoon, evening. We have new catalog, Sale-A-Bration, and the mini catalog are live. And I'm going to go through all of them with you. First, I'm going to get everything together. Wait a minute for a couple of you to pop on. If you're here, say hello, leave me a comment, let me know you're watching. Just going to get my tablet going here so I can see all of your beautiful comments. I am so excited for this catalog. There are so many good things in it. And tonight we are going to go through the catalog. I'm going to tell you some of my favorite things and why I love them. I'm just trying to share this to my group quick. So again, if you're here, say hello. Let's see. Here to a group. Here we go. Sorry for the delay. I'm still here. We're just technology's not working with me today. All right. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn my camera around and we are going to just jump right into this catalog. Let me turn it off and change the setting. I am still here. Don't go anywhere. Turn the camera back on. And there it is. The brand new Sale-A-Bration and mini catalog. So excited. So first, let's jump in to Sale-A-Bration. Sale-A-Bration, if for those of you that don't know, is there are two levels to Sale-A-Bration. So for $50, you get $50 level items, and then for a $100 order, you get $100 level items. So let's open this up, and I'm going to show you. Oh, so this paper is free. This is something you could choose with a $50 order. And this is the Bedazzling 6x6 Designer Series paper. You get 8 sheets of that in a pack. And then next is the Penguin Playmates 12x12 Designer Series paper. This actually coordinates with a bundle that is in the mini catalog, which I will be showing you momentarily. And then the Feels Like Home stamp set, which is one I think I will be getting. That is free with a $50 purchase. And also the beautifully penned 12x12 Designer Series paper. This is also free with a $50 purchase. And it coordinates with the Hand Pen Petals bundle. Geez, it's a lot to say. Next, this is the one I've been giving away. This is the Peaceful Princess highlighted because I already have it. So if you see highlights in my catalog, I have it. I don't have a lot from the mini, but I do have this paper because it coordinates with the Peaceful Deer bundle. And there are so many good ideas in these brochures. So this just isn't, you know, the free items you can get. It also shows you what you can do with them. And next, this is one that they only have a limited supply of this, and the Bedazzling Designer Series paper is limited supply. So once they're gone, they're gone. The dies are on limited supply. But the stamp set, I don't believe is. And these are both free with a $50 purchase. And next is the Textures and Frames stamp set, which I love. And that's free with a $50 purchase. And here's a $100 purchase freebie, the Summer Shadows dies. This coordinates with the shaded summer stamp set that's in the annual catalog. And then there's the Delicate Dahlias. I've seen a lot of cards made with these. So this is also free with a $100 purchase. And just look how great it is for coloring. I'm really excited about that one too. And then this is a host set. So if you place either a $300 order or have a party that totals $300 in sales, you get the In Your Words host stamp set for free. And this one is special because this was created by demonstrators. They took like a poll thing and the demonstrator planning place, took some sayings and put them in a stamp set. So that's pretty cool. And if you're interested in hosting a party, it is Mystery Host Month. Let me just show you that real quick. So what I'm doing is every single person who either hosts a party, if you host a party, you get 5 entries into my mystery host. If you place an order, you get 1. A $50 order gets you 2 entries, and a $100 order gets you 3. And at the end of the month, I will be choosing one person to win all of the rewards. So they start at $15 and go up from there based on how much there are in orders. And last in the Sale-A-Bration catalog is the join incentive. And this is really cool. So for $99, normally you get $125 in free product, which, or not free product, but $125 worth of product for $99, which is a good deal in and of itself, right? But now you get the $125 worth of product plus one of these free bundles from the mini. So we're going to be going through the mini right now, and I will point out those bundles that you can pick from as we go. So here is the mini catalog. This thing is meaty. So I'm just going to be going through the sweets. So if you look in your catalog, if you have a catalog, if you don't, feel free to message me. I would be happy to send you one out. But the product suites are listed on what pages there. So we're going to start on page 8 with the gingerbread and peppermint suite. And this one is so pretty. Like, it's very traditional Christmas. So I looked this morning and the paper is on back order. And I believe something else from the suite, but I can't remember. But because the one thing is on back order, you cannot purchase the whole suite for that price. That's also on back order as well. So, but you can get the stamp set and dies, I believe. And I think it's the Memories and More cards that are unavailable right now. So I think everything else on this page you can still purchase. But isn't that a fun suite? So the next one I gotta look, oops, shaking y'all over. And the next one I gotta look in the front of my catalog on page 16 is the Painted Christmas. And I love this. How pretty is that? And these gold holly leaves, I'm really excited for those. And I do love that ribbon. So I love these stamp sets. I just wish they would have switched the dies around. So if you look at the bundles, the first one here is the Christmas season bundle, and it has these really cute pine cones and then some label dies. The next one is Christmas to Remember, and it has all the sentiments and pine cone dies. So I just wish they would have flip-flopped them a little bit because I really like the sayings and I really like the labels, but I guess I'll just have to get them both. And that's probably why Stampin' Up! Did it that way. Oh, Wendy, your order comes tomorrow. What did you order? Let us know when I get to something that you ordered. So the next one is Whimsy and Wonder on page 24. And this one I actually really like. I am a traditional Christmas kind of gal. But these colors, I don't know, I love the way it looks. So this is the Whimsy and Wonder suite. And in the suite, you get everything on this page for the one price of $80.25. And I really like that paper. And so the colors in this are Polished Pink, Blushing Bride, Mossy Meadow, Mint Macaroon, Misty Moonlight, and Iridescent, which that's cool. I just like that. Okay, the next one though. I think this might be my favorite suite because you guys, how cute. Sweet stocking suite. Look at the cat. You know, I love cats. But I love this. I know I'm definitely getting this. I don't know about the paper. I love the paper though too. I'm getting the dots. There's a bunch of things in here that I just love. And I love the sayings in the stamp set. Get it up there so you can see Santa Paws is coming to town. I just think that's so cute. Adorable. Stampin' Up! Knows me. Okay, so the next one is Peaceful Place on page 36. And this one, oh, all of them. I just keep going through this catalog, and every time I go through it, I find something new and something that I love. So this one is very monochromatic. The colors for it are Smoky Slate, Basic Gray, Black, and Silver. And this paper, I'm really excited. They're snowy white 12 by 12 velvet sheet. So it's like a flocked velvet, and it almost resembles snow. And I know you probably can't get the detail of that, but how cool. And then the sequins would be really cool for a shaker card. And just the examples that they use here. How cool. So the next one is Blackberry Beauty. And I love this sweet too. There's not much in here I don't like. I feel like that list is a lot shorter. So Blackberry Beauty, I know for sure the paper is not available right now, which is a bummer because I am really excited about this paper. And let me just show you the samples that they make with it. This is a very fall sweet. And there's also the gold shimmer vellum that I'm excited for too. This is available right now. I believe out of this suite, the only thing that isn't available is the paper. And the bundle is available, everything else. So you can't, or when one thing from the suite isn't available, you can't order the entire suite. So that's a bummer, but hopefully it comes in soon because I know a lot of people are excited about this. Susan says, oh, look at the squirrel on the next page. Oh, I missed the squirrel. I know he's back here. The squirrels are very, I don't know, I'm not into the cutesy. Is it the next page? Let me look. I'm not into the cutesy really stamp sets. Yep, there's the squirrel, Susan. So this one is Nuts About Squirrels, and it's just the stamp set, but it shows you in the catalog how you can step up your card using different things. It's cute. Probably won't get it. So let's see. The next suite is Cute Halloween, which again, another cutesy one. So I will probably be opting out of this one. But the pumpkins are really cute. I don't know. And I like that it makes a cat face because, you know, me and the cat. And the paper, I do like the paper. And I'm getting the paper because I'm a part of a product share with my upline. So I will be getting all the ribbon embellishments and paper. They'll probably be on their way here in the next week or so. And I actually already bought this stamp set and have it. The Clever Cats. Because look at that big cat. Look at that chunker. Susan likes the ghosties. Yeah, and the paper, so cute. I know, I'm excited for that one, kind of. The next one is Harvest Meadow, page 54. This one I like. It's just the colors I don't think are my style. It's very retro looking to me, almost like a 70s kind of look, even though I wasn't alive yet, but it's very retro looking to me. I do love this embossing folder, and I'm probably going to get that. That is the time-worn type 3D embossing folder. The stamp set and the dies remind me of like the Quiet Meadow stamp set that we already have. Wendy says she has this, and you can change. Yeah, I could change the colors because I do kind of like the vintagey look of the ribbon. I already have the embellishments. I have not tried the cork specialty paper yet, which I'm kind of excited to see what that's like. But yeah, the color scheme here, not my style. I'm sure lots of people actually love that though. So that is it for the bundle, or the suite, sorry. Now I just want to go to the back and show you how they do these catalogs. So here in the back of the catalog, they start with the bundled savings, and these are die or punch bundles with stamp sets. So you can save 10% by getting them together like that, and they show you every single one throughout the catalog. So some of these, like I already have the Peaceful Deer bundle. I did not highlight that one yet, though I need to. And like I think the polar bear one is cool. There's the stocking size, and I love how they did those colors there. And this one is very interesting to me. I'm excited to get this because I'm pretty sure I'm going to get this one. This is a hybrid. So there is a stamp set, an embossing folder, and a die with this bundle. And the die and the embossing folder actually work together. I don't know, where am I? There I am. So they actually work together, and it's really cool. I'm excited to get that and show you guys. Oh yes, thanks Susan, the penguins. So there's the penguins and the punch builder. Let me show you. That is on page, usually it tells 33. So from Sale-A-Bration, there was that cute penguin paper that actually goes along with this set. So there's the stamp set and the punch, and it cuts out those penguins. And then the paper that you can get for free goes along with it. So this bundle is $31.50. You would need another, a little less than $20 to get you this for free. And if you got cardstock, maybe some adhesive, a thing of ribbon, that would get you there, and you'd get the free paper. So let's go back to the bundles here. And I'm just going to quickly show you all the bundles. And then they also have this cool catalog at glance. So these are all the stamp sets. And then the stamp sets continued here, all the new punches, all the dies, and it shows you everything in the whole catalog in categories. So yeah, and there's the embossing folders and the hybrid. And then the designer series paper, all of the ribbon, all of the different papers, and all the accents and embellishments, and some new packaging. So those tombstone treat boxes are pretty cool. I'm actually kind of excited to try those for Halloween. And yeah, and that is pretty much it. Besides, there are 2 new host sets. So these are host sets, but if you reach $150, so you can make a $150 order, or you have a $150 party with me, you can purchase these sets. So this one is the, I don't even know how to say, the Amaryllis of Bloom, and that is $10. And then Seasons of Fun is $12. So you can earn those by having either a $150 sale or a $150 order or $150 in sales during a party. Hi, Kathy. So happy you're here too. So that is pretty much it for all the catalogs. If you have any questions, please let me know. And again, all my specials coordinate with Sale-A-Bration and the mini catalog. So the $50 order will get you the tutorials, the color and contour tutorials I'm offering this month, 1 entry for the mystery hostess drawing, and actually, I'm sorry, 2 entries for the mystery hostess drawing, and a free $50 Sale-A-Bration item. So if you have any questions or need anything, please don't hesitate to reach out. And until next time, I will see you guys Friday live. So have a great night. Bye.